Hi, in this video, I will show you how you could use a TPU flexible 3D printing filament to make a repair part for an SMD hot air station, which can turn from this into this. Okay, let's see how it's done. Okay, first let's open the cover to see what's wrong with this machine. The problem with this machine is that the rubber feed damper of the air pump is damaged, allowing the bottom part of the pump to touch the cases directly and transfer the vibrational energies. So we need to replace the rubber feed to get rid of the noise. First step is to remove the rubber feed from the air pump to identify the size, shape, and design a CAD model for 3D printing. I designed this part in FreeCAD. This is the main body part of the rubber feed damper, and this is the bottom stud for locking into the cases. And on the top we have a locking keys for locking into the base of the air pump. The pole in the center of the feed is there to prevent the feed from collapsing after a prolonged usage. The link to all the files can be found in the video description. I use a generic TPU flexible filament. And for the printer, I use Anet A8. The printing process takes around 34 minutes per piece, and you need to print 4 pieces. And this is our 3D printed rubber feed damper. Compare side by side with the original one, you can see that it's not exactly the same design, but it's close enough that it should be functional. So let's try install it and see if it's working properly. That's it for today. If you like this video, please consider hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.